Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in this Python tutorials for beginner series, you actually learn everything you need in Python, everything you need to become a software developer, everything you need to become a web developer or a mobile developer. So the thing here is that we learn the basics of Python, we learn how to play with the language, we learn everything that has to do with Python, which by the end of this tutorial, by the end of this series, you should be ready to actually specialize in whichever field that you want to in Python, say artificial intelligence, data science, anything, machine learning, you'll be good to go. So today we'll start the first episode of our series. So today we'll actually be doing the famous Hello World project, Hello World program. So the Hello World program won't be doing much. The only thing that we'll be doing will just be printing out the hello world statement in our console. Okay, so that's the only thing we'll be doing for today. And I also show you how you can run code on PyCharm, because if you're actually doing Python, I actually recommend Python. So I recommend the PyCharm very much. Okay. So I'll be showing you guys how to do a print statement in Python. I show you how to how to run how to run your application in PyCharm, and I also show you how the code works, how is the code executed, and where is it executed. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin. So like I said, we're gonna just gonna be printing out the hello world. Okay, so just gonna be printing out hello world. Okay, so that's it. That's the only thing that we're gonna be doing for today. But so how do you actually run this? Okay, so as you can see right here on top, we have this run option. So just click on it. After clicking on this run option, you can see right here you have an option to run your app. But you can see that at the far right here we have this, which is supposed to be a shortcut. Okay, Shift plus F10. So you can actually just do Shift plus F10 on your keyboard and the application will run, your code will run. So I actually prefer using the keyboard shortcut because it actually increases my productivity. But for beginner, you can run it from here, it's no problem. So I'll run it like that, and after running it, the code will get executed. Then it will be displayed here at the console. Okay, so this is where your code is actually executed, and the result is provided right here. Okay, as you can see right here, it printed out hello world. Okay, so but this isn't the only way you can actually run your Python code. You can also use the play symbol right there, the play button. As you can see, it also shows you the shortcut, which is Shift plus F10 on Linux. I think it's the same for Windows, and I'm probably not sure about Mac, but yeah, so depending on whatever OS you're using, the shortcut will show as per your OS. So you shouldn't worry about that so much. So I can click right there and it ran perfectly. So the next thing that I'll be showing you guys in today's video is how Python code gets executed. Okay, so how does it get executed? So actually Python code gets executed line by line. Okay, so if I were to say like so if I were to say like print, okay, let's say by word. So from here you probably have already guessed that it will first execute this first line of code, then you have to go this second line of code. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, wait for it. There it is. So hello world, by word. So that's how Python gets executed. So from line 1 it goes to line 2, line 3, line 4, like that to infinity. Okay, so and this is actually very useful in debugging, because the line where you get an error, okay, say you have like code that's like 100 lines, then you get an error on line 90. Okay, it actually means the code was successful in all the previous lines. That's the only way it would have gotten to 90. Okay, so when it got to 90, it actually broke. Okay, so It's very helpful in debugging, and you actually see it at play in future tutorials that I'll be uploading. So for now, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. But know that in the future tutorials, we'll actually be going into more advanced topics. So buckle up your seatbelts, and stay tuned for the next tutorials. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Okay, so until next time, see ya.